Withdrawing money from Kraken after your account has been reviewed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and log in using your credentials. Ensure that your account is verified and that you have completed any necessary identity checks. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, go to the funding tab located in the main menu. This section allows you to manage your deposits and withdrawals. Step 3. Select Withdrawal. In the funding section, find and click on the Withdraw option. You will see a list of available withdrawal methods based on your account settings and the currencies you hold. Step 4. Choose your currency and method. Select the currency you wish to withdraw in the preferred withdrawal method such as bank transfer, cryptocurrency, etc. Follow the prompts to enter the required details such as the amount and destination address if applicable. Step 5. Confirm and submit your withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the src.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for updates and ensure you check your account for the funds once the transaction is complete.